Cześć! I hope you've had a wonderful end of the year that you spend with the people you care for. Today we are making a delicious coconut mini cake that my family call Kokoski. They are easy to make and usually disappear before the day ends. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. Start by putting honey into your pot. Add the butter, sugar and milk. Optionally, you can add vanilla sugar or extract for taste. Cut the butter into small pieces so it melts faster. Heat it up and mix thoroughly until fully incorporated. While it's cooling, prepare your walnuts. I had my little helpers for that. Just make sure you get rid of any of the shells. Use a food processor to blend the walnuts into smaller pieces. Add one yolk into the cool mixture and leave the white for later. Add walnuts, baking soda and flour, then mix it well. Finally, beat the egg white and gently mix it into the dough. Transfer the dough to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Put it into a 180 C or 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes. I have this recipe from my aunt and she is an amazing baker. I wanted to create a moment for my family, so that we can enjoy it together. That's why I bake them every year and it became our tradition.
Książki z pieskiem przyniosła pieska.
Use a toothpick to check if the dough is ready. Now it's time to prepare the icing. Mix cocoa, baking margarine, sugar and milk and melt it over low heat. Cut the cake into small squares.
Pokaż jednego kawałka.
Fill a platter or a bowl with your coconut flakes. Dip each cake into the melted icing and then into the coconut flakes.
Już możesz przełożyć.
Et voila, your kokosek is ready. I hope you enjoy. Smacznego! I wish you guys all the best in the new year. Do zobaczenia.